Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance service light in a Honda Civic 2016. In this case, the first step is open your switch. Once that's done, we're going to click in info, which is this button. And in my dash, I'm only looking for a wrench, which is that one. Once I find it, I'm going to click on enter here. There you go. And then, once I am there, I'm going to hold enter for 10 seconds. Okay, now I have a few options here. In this particular case, I have the code A1 and 7. A means oil change, 1 means tires rotation, and 7, if I remember correctly, means the service of replace the brake fluid. The three things were done in this car. So what I can do is explore with my arrows up and down. I'm gonna go ahead and click all view items. For this I'm gonna click on enter, and that's gonna reset all my codes. Let's go ahead and do it. And now it says here that everything is live. Well, in this case, the display it's saying like the oil life is 100%. The other two codes should be also 100%, and that's it. Thank you very much.